In the heart of Texas, a massive semiconductor facility faced a daunting challenge. The customer needed to install over 150 mechanical, electrical, and plumbing modules, giant pipe racks, into a building's ceiling 26 feet high. These weren't small loads. Some weighed up to 400,000 pounds and spanned 200 feet long by 160 feet wide, with irregular shapes complicating every move. The original plan? Assemble them piece by piece, welding pipes in the air, requiring tie-offs. A slow, risky process that threatened safety and the project timeline. The stakes were high. With up to 10,000 workers on site, congestion was a constant danger. And working at height meant more scaffolding, delays, and risk. That's when Barnhart Crane and Rigging stepped in, tasked with lifting these colossal modules efficiently and safely, all while meeting a breakneck schedule. At Barnhart, we don't just bring cranes, we bring innovation. That's what drove us when we joined this project. It began with a question. Could these modules be built on the ground and lifted whole? The answer was yes, but it demanded tools that didn't exist yet.
Customer reached out to us asking for some crane and rigging support.
From there, Barnhart's team dug deeper, dreaming up a solution that would redefine the project. The vision was clear. Construct the modules at grade to slash safety risks and speed up the timeline.
If they could build large footprints on the ground at grade and do the welding at grade, the connections and fit up at grade, it would streamline their process.
But lifting these beasts, some with 64-inch pipes, required more than off-the-shelf gear.
The key challenges for this project were, it was a very complicated piece of machinery that was in design as we were building it. So large quantity, new design, fast-paced schedule, rigorous testing requirements.
Barnhart engineered a custom rigging system, the Barnhart Lift Tables, towering scissor lifts that can hoist 25 tons each from 40 inches to 26 feet in one stroke. The Barnhart Jack Masters, designed to raise the modules from grade to 40 inches for the lift tables. The Barnhart updated Synchronous movement system, which controlled the up to 32 jacks by synchronizing every move. But building this system was a race against time, 6 months from concept to first lift.
We started in late April, worked through May, June, and we were starting to assemble in July and then sent it to the customer starting in August.
This wasn't just one prototype, it was 8, all untested, all critical to success. With modules varying wildly in size and shape, precision was non-negotiable. The team used advanced software and third-party analysis to ensure every lift stayed within capacity. On-site execution demanded precision amid heavy congestion and a large workforce. After steel and pipe crews built the modules at grade, the Jack Masters took over to begin the lift.
We would come in with what we're calling Jack Masters. They do the initial lift up about 40 inches in order for us to get the lift tables underneath them. The unique design about the lift tables, what made them so special, was the fact that they could take something from grade or the height of the collapse tables, which is about 40 inches, 39, 40 inches, and take them in a single stroke all the way up to 26 feet. In a single stroke.
With the Jack Masters in place, the lift tables took over, hoisting the modules from 40 inches to 26 feet in one seamless stroke, guided by the SMS and unifiers for perfect synchronization.
Being able to utilize 8 of those at one time with our synchronous moving system, we're able to insert the tables and from 4 feet up to 26 feet in elevation and have holding valves that can hold that pressure. It's not considered a suspended load at that time, and people can climb through the module and make their final connections to the embeds up at the roof.
The SMS and Buckingham unifiers kept every lift seamless. Together, they delivered precision under uneven loads. This precision was made possible by Barnhart's foresight to equip the lift tables with the ability to create precise adjustments in the field.
And that's one of the coolest features on our lift tables that we got to utilize several times, and that's the side shift ability, where there's a cylinder on the rear of the lift table that allowed it to stroke and extend back and forth several inches so that we could get that fine adjustment, so that there was no real tough labor that had to happen when our guys are 30 feet up in the air.
This feature saved hours, aligning modules to ceiling embeds more easily at height. By summer 2024, the job was done. 41 lifts, 35,000 man-hours, 0 safety incidents. Safety prevailed where risks once loomed, delivered within the relentless 6-month schedule. A Barnhart triumph. This project wasn't just a job, it was a proving ground.
Over the course of 6 months, we went from R&D idea for LT50s and Jackmasters. Went from R&D to fabrication. We sourced fabricators from around the area, around the Southeast, to help facilitate the construction of these, the fabrication of these tools. We assembled them all together in our fabrication facility in Memphis, Tennessee. We also did load tests during this time period. We created SOP, standard operating procedures, for these during this time period. And we verified that people were trained and qualified on these tools all within this 6 months in order to get them to the semiconductor facility in time to make the first lift.
Barnhart turned a customer's challenge into a triumph, blending engineering brilliance with field execution. This was about more than lifting modules. It was about lifting expectations. Barnhart proved what's possible when innovation meets determination. This project stands as a testament to Barnhart's ability to conquer a daunting ordeal, delivering a rigging masterpiece that redefines safety, speed, and collaboration.
When it's time to deliver on your promise, that we will be on site with these new tools to help you, Mr. Customer. I think this job is a testament to who Barnhart is, from beginning to end, from original idea, new tool, to safely accomplished project.